everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and I just come down. We're a bit later this morning, although the weather looks like that. It's just fogging over. What came down to do was just water my plants, and then that's it, because that's all you can do right now. But I planted my onions, I think it was on Monday, and I was saying about when you plant your onions you always get something what comes and digs them up, and as you can see I've got about 8 or so dug up. So what I've got to do is just recover them. You get something what's always digging holes, and then you see your onions sticking out on the top. You just got to push them back in, make sure that they're the right way up. I know it's a bit of a nuisance, but this is what you've got to keep doing all the time. You get these animals or whatever, I don't know what digs it, if it's the squirrels or what, but they dig them and then thinking that they're the tops of worms. So just got to get these back in. So if you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. We're a bit slow at the moment because we've got a lot of things going on at the moment, but just bear with us and we'll get there with you. So just trying to cover up the top and see where they pull them out from. I ordered some red ones what I was going to plant today, but they haven't come yet, so bear with us. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've come up to the top bed where I planted my garlic, and lucky enough they haven't, I can see footprints where something's been walking over, most probably a fox. Looks like a fox, the weight of it, and so they haven't dug this one up yet, just walked across it. So what I'm doing, I'm just looking for all these little weed plants what's coming up. Gonna keep on top of those as well. So that's this bed. Right, so I'm gonna have a look at a polytunnel now. You see I've still got some roses, although the leaves and everything's stripped off. Might have to just prune those things off when I get a chance. And you see the grass and everything's coming back, so I've got a spray bottle in there, so I'm going to deal with that now. And then the grass in that bed there is just getting a bit too much now, so I have to watch that one, dig that over. But there's not a lot you can do this time of year, just clearing up and getting everything ready for the winter. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've done, I've given everything a quick water, and then I'm going to show you what's going on in my polytunnel. As you can see, let my cameraman come in a bit more. I've still got my Scotch bonnets plants. They're still looking green and healthy, still flowering, although the peppers are quite small on them. So all this along here, these 4 are Scotch bonnets. I want to try and see if I can overwinter them. I see rubbish growing in them. Will I get all this? Make sure you get all this stuff out, otherwise I might later on I might put these in bigger pots if they're over winter. Right, I've got an hibiscus here which is coming on nicely, thickening out and everything. And I've got a wonderberry here. I've got some fennels in a pot what was there. I've still got my melons. My cameraman come in, show you the melons. They're looking like they're almost ready, so I'll give them another couple of weeks and then see how they do. Got quite a few different varieties coming. See these white ones. I've got these ones here, and then I've got these ones here, and I've got those ones there. Still got the chilies. I've got to pick these. Don't know. I have to see if I can get up to London one day when I come and I just pick them fresh. I've got baskets of fires and other chilies, so you can see there are loads of chilies on them. And then I've got my ginger here. You can see that's doing quite well. The fennel here, don't know whether to pull that up or what, because I don't know what it's meant to be doing. Got my chocolate Scotch bonnets here. See, they're still nice and green and healthy. And then I've got that's the one what was broken down, what my daughter replanted. You can see that's grown nicely. I've got my spinach and broccoli in this tub. You can see it's growing nicely, and I've got my turmeric, looks nice. I'm not sure if you meant to overwinter this as well. I'll see how it goes. Then I've got 2 banana plants down there. Can see my strawberries have grown and sending out their suckers. Meant to repot those when I get the compost. Got 2 loads of suckers to repot. So that's what's going on in the polytunnel. Right, going outside. Still got some rainbow chard and Romanesco, some kale in between and some broccoli at the front. Right, come up here. So it's mostly tidying up now. I've still got this bucket of carrots here. Got 1 bucket there, 1 bucket there. The spinach, what I need to thin out. I see it's starting to wilt, so you need to get all these ones out. Right, my lily here, flowered. The coyote, although it's starting to wither up now, I can see some coyotes that size. So if the weather was all right, we would have got some nice ones. But I didn't. I was going to pull down the plant, but I just left it till when it dries down itself. Maybe those might get a bit bigger. Got another one up there, couple, few. coyotes there. Got all this to pull down and tidy up now. These were just a bad investment. Got to take these out and see if I can cut them down or something and use them as hoops or something, because they were just a really bad investment. They're broken and absolutely useless. So what I must probably do is just unscrew them and cut them somewhere and then use them as hoops for both ends. You see, I still got my lima beans on. They took their time, and you feel them, they're still hard. No peas in them, no beans in them. Some of them's got beans, but we'll see how it goes. This is the only one what survived of the oops, so I'll see how it goes with those. I've still got some cabbages in here. Still got a couple of cabbages what I need to take out. Don't know when I'm going to take those out. Romanesco, and these are the broccolis what's gone to flowers now, and all these was from last time, so I need to clear out this old bed. That's what I'm going to do, and then that's about it. So it's just tidying up and everything now, getting these courgettes out as well. Got a couple of courgettes, I only planted 2 plants, but we've got loads of courgettes off of just the 2. So if I planted more, then I'll be covered with them. Let's see what's on here. I see a couple heads of corn here, but haven't been touched. I don't know if there's anything in them. Now these look like they're these are all just like we've got a few. Just got a bit of rotten bit there. Put it there. Got another one here. These I just left because they were there, but don't know if it's their hibernation time now or what. These you can just leave and they'll rotten down through the winter anyway. So this one's really got some. Look at that. Just take that top off. So there you go. Not fully formed, but can either take those and use those for seed or whatever you wanted to do with them. Just looking if there's any more what's old. Now nothing there. Right, let me go over to this other side. Right, this is a one where they've just eaten everything. So I've got to take this off next time and then get this bed prepped for next year. Can't see nothing in there what hasn't been bitten up. But that's how it goes with gardening. You win and you lose. You win and you lose with it, with things. So next time I'll see if I can get this netting off and then get these hoops sorted out and then things. So that's what's going on down here. So what I'm going to do now, I've got some weed killer. Going to just spray some of these nettles and that, and then see if they'll go, and then that's it. So I know there's nothing much to show you, but that's how it goes. We're coming up to the winter months now, so all we can do is just prepare and get everything ready for next year. Hopefully we'll have a better year. So thanks for watching this one. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.